already answered a couple of your questions on Backyard Farmer, but let me tell you about all the exciting things we have planned for you this season. We'll be concentrating on helping you turn your landscape into something more edible, whether it's vegetables or trees. We'll be talking about pollinators and perhaps turning some of your turf into prairie species in urban environments. All this and more on this season of Backyard Farmer. We'll help you take care of all of those magnificent trees if you have any. We'll help you choose new ones if you don't. And of course, all those shrubs and perennials and great plants that really help the environment make you a happier person. Maybe you want to grow your own plants from seed, or certainly buy them from good sources. We can help you make the great decisions to get the right plants for your landscape. Behind me is the Backyard Farmer Garden, and we want you to be able to see what we talk about on the show. We grow vegetables and flowers. Of course, the All-America selections are in that end of the garden. And Terry will be returning as usual to give us that Garden Minute every single week. We want to get back to answering more of your questions, but a really exciting reminder that we have huge changes coming this year. Just like the environment and everything in it changes, so do we. So stay tuned to Backyard Farmer, your absolute favorite show.